Word of the day, let's do for innerlition. Girl, ito, magbabasa talaga tayo. So just 15 minutes a day would already be enough, no? Para ma-forbessor natin yung Deutsch natin. May it be habang nagko-commute ka or whatever, nagluluto ka. So I've learned this word again yesterday and then nagamit ko natin siya yesterday. So when we learn words, no, kailangan iba pag narinig mo siya, iba pag ginamit mo siya, iba pag sinulat mo siya para mas ma-retain talaga sa memory natin. So word is for innerlition. That means pala parang to internalize, to understand on your own. Ganyan. So, an example that was used dun sa YouTube na pinanood ko yesterday, sabi, es reicht nicht, etwas auswendig zu lernen. Parang hindi enough na natutunan mo lang. Halimbawa, yung isang bagay, man muss das Wissen auch verinnerlichen. Parang one has to understand it himself or herself. Diba? Ganun naman talaga, diba? Kumbaga, sa application, kumbaga, when you're learning new skill, no, iba pa din pag in-apply mo na siya, ikaw na mismo yung gumawa, mas maintindihan mo siya kung bakit mo ginagawa yung bagay na yun. Verinnerlichen pala yun. Very good.